This video will look at how to manage the workflow process of a voucher. So firstly we go to Merchant and then Sales, and then from the voucher drop down we click on Voucher List. So from here we can search via a number of filters such as the state of the voucher, any price ranges, date ranges, the type of voucher, and of course a keyword search. So once we find the voucher that we're looking for, we click on the yellow magnifying glass icon. And from here we can see all the key information about the voucher. We can see that the customer information and the purchaser information can be different, and the reason why it can be different is when the customer purchases a voucher through the checkout, they do have the option to enter somebody else's details to purchase it as a gift. If we scroll down the page, we can then see the workflow journal, and this one's currently active, and as the voucher is used or edited, we'll see some further changes go into the journal. We can also see the voucher history, which just gives us a breakdown of any time money has been spent from the voucher or it's been topped up with additional credit, and we can see who did that, and it's just a little bit more auditing information than just the generic workflow journal. And then finally we can also add comments to the bottom of the voucher there. If we just go back up to the workflow control, we'll have a look at some of the different options we've got here. So the first option is to adjust the credit. So if we click this and then click go, we can see that we can add or remove credit to the voucher. So if we were to add $25, we can now see that the balance of the voucher is $75. In the workflow journal we can see that the adjust credit transition has been run, and we can also see that another $25 has been added into the voucher history. Likewise, we can remove credit, and in the journal we can see that $25 has been removed now. By cancelling the voucher, it will be no longer valid to use, and it will be marked as cancelled. We can edit some of the details of the voucher. So we can change the customer and purchaser details and also the name, which is not overly relevant to the customer. The narrative is what will be displayed as a description on the voucher itself. So if someone's purchasing it as a gift, they have the option to type in a message at checkout to the customer. And then we can also either print the document to PDF or to HTML. So when the voucher is created through the checkout, the customer will receive a copy of it as a PDF. However, if you've created this as an admin, you've got the option to set that up yourself.